How much should your child practice and play in games and tournaments every week? I'm Dr. David, orthopedic surgeon, sports medicine specialist, and author of the book, That's Gotta Hurt, The Injuries That Changed Sports Forever. I provide education, information, and commentary on sports and exercise, injuries, injury treatments, and injury prevention for athletes and active people so that you can stay healthy and perform your best. It's really becoming a problem in youth sports as we are in Youth Sports Safety Month, dealing with overuse injuries among kids. Basically, too much participation without enough time to rest. In youth sports, over half of all injuries are related to overuse. So they're completely preventable. But there are easy ways to do that. But that's not what's happening. More and more kids are practicing more, every day of the week. And then they go to these tournaments where they play 3 and 4 and 5 games. It's no wonder these kids are suffering stress fractures and overuse problems of their muscles and tendons and ligaments that keep them out of sports for weeks. Sometimes for longer than that, sometimes even causing them to need surgery. There are ways that we can cut down on the amount of practice and playing that these kids are doing without affecting their performance, and best of all, keeping them injury-free. So here's how I would look at it. I would use your child's age as a limit to how many hours a week they participate. So if your daughter is 12 years old, she practices and plays in games and tournaments no more than 12 hours each week. So obviously at 8, that's going to be 8 hours. At 16, when their bodies are bigger and stronger and can handle the stress, then they can play more. Now, that doesn't include fun, just doing things with their friends on their own, playing basketball in the driveway, and what we call unstructured play. That is all fine. What we're talking about is the formal practices with the coaches where they're running drills, and yes, the games. And I would argue private coaching is in there as well. But unstructured fun play doesn't count. But add all that up, the number of times they practice and how much practice time that is, private coaching, and then the amount of time they're in games, on just isolated games or in tournaments, all that has to be less than their age in years. All right, what do you think? Is that too strict? Do you have a better way of sort of quantifying how much kids should practice and play? I want to hear your opinion. So below this video in the comments, share your opinion so that honestly we can all learn from you. If you like videos like this and you want more information on sports and exercise injuries, injury treatments, and injury prevention, subscribe to my video channel. I record several of these videos every single week, so click the subscribe button in the upper right corner of the page. They'll get delivered directly to you. Thank you so much for watching. Remember, it's Youth Sports Safety Month, so if you have friends who have kids who play youth sports, please share this video with them. I look forward to seeing you right here next time.